Hey, take a second and picture this. You walk into your space and everything just connects, no drops, no buffering circles, no awkward "can you hear me now?" moments. The NETGEAR Orbi 770 is for the kind of person who feels when their network keeps letting them down, someone who's tired of slow corridors, half-dead zones, and watching that little spinning wheel weigh more than they should. Before anything else, check the current price and stock, because systems this capable don't stay stable in availability for long. You know that sinking frustration when your stream blips in the middle of the best part? When a call cuts out right as you're about to close a deal. When a download crawls while everyone else's devices lag behind. The first time this mesh system settles into your home, that old irritation just fades away. It doesn't feel like a tweak, it feels like relief. Every corner suddenly has coverage you can trust. Imagine wireless strength that doesn't quit when you move from room to room, floor to floor. Gaming on your tablet in the backyard? Rock solid. Uploading content from your office while others stream movies? Still smooth. It's like someone finally pushed your Wi-Fi into the future so it works the way you actually do. Once you experience that level of connectivity, anything weaker feels like an old habit you outgrew long ago. Every time you consider a cheaper alternative with good enough written all over it, you come back here because you already know what real range and speed feel like. Don't let hesitation over price sways or stock quirks keep you from making the fix that stops all those little digital disruptions that chip away at your day. And if you're wondering whether the leap to Wi-Fi 7 really makes a difference, that's exactly the part that surprises most people. It's not just faster numbers on a box. It's actual experience, fewer dead spots, smoother streaming, more capacity for all your devices, and connections that stay steady even when the household traffic spikes. You don't think about your network anymore, it just works. Seamless coverage that reaches every room, rock-solid connections under heavy load, speed that keeps up with all your devices, confidence your network won't quit on you, relief from dead spots you used to ignore, a bigger investment than basic routers. Advanced performance may feel like overkill if you rarely push limits. At some point you stop looping through options and choose the system you already know keeps popping into your mind, because nothing else keeps pulling you back in the same way. Check the current price and availability now and make the upgrade. Your future self will be glad you didn't delay.